Hello guys, today I got this package and this is Explorer rooftop basket. I'll show you how it looks like right here. This was actually a really good deal from Amazon. It's actually sold by Walmart.com too. So let's open it. So here it is, the package. It's actually a great deal. It's even cheaper than you can find used one on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Okay, looks like it got the front cover right here. And got all the tools right here. And it got really good instruction. Hi guys, today I'm gonna install this rooftop basket. I already unpack it. Looks everything inside, looks perfect. I bought it from Walmart. I'm gonna install on this Odyssey. It was same price as Amazon, same free shipping. So let's see what's gonna come out. So here is the basket and all the attachments right here, all the pieces. I like the idea. It has the gasket, so when I connect all together, rubber gasket is gonna protect from a rusted and stuff. So installation comes out really easy. So you just use the brackets and you just put on the top and just screw. You can do from the top. I prefer from the bottom. I like it more. And that's seals, covers everything. So let's see how it's gonna come out, but probably gonna finish the video tomorrow in the morning. It's getting really dark. So here's my roof rack. Of course I couldn't finish it last night, so I have to finish it today. And here's the last piece. It was pretty easy to install, and I'm glad this one has a holes already made, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really easy to install too. So here's all the basket. It's all done. It was really easy to install the screws and the nuts, and it's all fixed over here. So like this video and share. Follow my page. Here's the cheap version of roof rack.